What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Spigen Ultra Hybrid 2nd generation for the Apple iPhone SE 2020 I picked up using Amazon Prime for $11.97. Out of 5 stars, it gets 4.5 out of about 18,854 customer reviews. A little bit on the high side considering the iPhone SE 2020 came out Friday. Something tells me that this case probably was designed for the iPhone 8, and because the iPhone 8 has the same specifications dimension-wise as the iPhone SE 2020, those reviews are probably from the iPhone 8. But today I figured we would do just a simple unboxing and first impressions first and foremost, and take a look at the Spigen Ultra Hybrid 2nd generation for the Apple iPhone SE 2. I've actually got it right here in front of me in product red. I've been using it as my daily driver for about a day now. I got it on Friday, April 24th, which was the day that it was released. And so far it's been absolutely phenomenal, but I do need a case for it. So I actually picked up 3 cases from Spigen. I picked up a black case, a clear case, and a clear case with a red band around it. So really interesting color selection. Let's go ahead and get into the packaging here. Go ahead and just pull this box out here. 3 cases in the box. Notice that the iPhone SE 2020 in product red does have a black front, so it will in fact match with the black case. The clear case, it will look really good with the clear case, I think. It'll show off some of that red, and it'll look good with the clear case with the red band around it, simply because it'll just match the red on the iPhone. Since, you know, the iPhone SE product red is pretty much the most popular model, I assume that you guys will want to see that one first. I'm gonna have a hard time doing this, but it's not too bad. And I hope that was as satisfying for you as it was for me. But so far, this case looks pretty terrific. I'm gonna go ahead and, you know what I love about Spigen cases is that they're actually really premium cases for the money. So this was $11.97, and this feels to me like a $30 case, like from Incipio. So we'll go ahead and just plop it right into place there. And as you can see, it looks absolutely phenomenal with that red band. The buttons are very clicky, as you can see. I think you guys can hear that, yeah. Let's see what it looks like with the red on the back. As you can see, the red on the back of the Spigen case is a little bit orange compared to the product red. The product red is like a fire engine, or maybe more of like a cherry red. I think for the most part it looks pretty good. It does have that lay on the table design, which is really nice. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the black or clear case. I'll let you know in just a second. So we'll go ahead and just lift off the top there, pull our case out. This is the clear case. Just go ahead and take it out of its packaging here. I am probably most looking forward to the clear case, aside from the black case. And we'll go ahead and peel that inner sticker off. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off my iPhone real quick, just so that it looks clean when I put it in. And we'll go ahead and just snap it right into place there. Yeah, so far really am digging the clear case. I think it looks really good. You get that product red on the back. If you guys actually remember correctly, when the iPhone 11 Pro first came out, the clear cases were the most popular of the bunch. So I'm assuming for the iPhone SE, I don't know if trends have changed. As you can see, you've got that beautiful wallpaper there. You do have the lay on the table design, and it does have a lip around the edge of the screen, so you can lay it face down if you want and not worry about it. I hope the camera is doing it justice for you guys. I hope it's focusing well enough. Just absolutely stunning. In product red. I love the iPhone SE. It's got that A13 Bionic chip on the inside. It's got 3 GB of RAM. It's got a 12 megapixel f1.8 rear-facing camera with a single flash. It does have stereo recording and it records video in 4K. This phone is hot. I will be honest, I did miss the small form factor of it, and I'm absolutely loving it in this clear speaking case. And last but not least, we have the black case, which would have looked absolutely fantastic with the black color iPhone SE, but we'll go ahead and pull it out of its case there. It's in some wrapping. We'll go ahead and we'll just pull it out. And same process as before. And third time is a charm. I hope you guys enjoy that as much as I do. And voila, there is the sticker from the inside. So far, really digging this black clear case. It's a clear case with a black ring around the edge. And as you can see, it matches up perfectly with the front of the phone, which I expected and which I love. And then when you flip it around, you get a black edge with the clear back. I think that's actually a winning look in my book. I think it's a little bit more eccentric looking than the clear. And I think the red case just was a little bit too orange for my liking. It didn't quite match the product red of the iPhone SE. So yeah, my favorite out of the three is this case with the black ring around it. And of course, it matches the front of the phone. Yeah, and you know, like I said, you're gonna get that lay on the table design. You can lay it face down. It looks absolutely phenomenal. You've got a really nice camera cut out there for that 12 megapixel f1.8 sensor. Anyways, guys, speaking of camera sensors, I do have a camera comparison coming out between this phone and the Google Pixel 3a. And I think for just a little bit of fun, I'm gonna throw the iPhone 11 Pro Max in there with them. I'm gonna be releasing that video in a couple of days. So if you're interested in more video reviews on the iPhone SE 2020, me comparing it to other devices, I've also got a Samsung Galaxy A10e I can compare it to. You know, stick around and subscribe and hit that like button. Anyways, guys, because I picked these speaking cases up using Amazon Prime, that makes them a convenience good. You can too for $11.97. Out of 5 stars, they get 4.5 out of about 18,500 customer reviews. I think the black case is my favorite, or the black clear case. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. My name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next one.